Many of us love AI because it can give us quick answers. But when your family's future is on the line, do you really want to gamble on a robot to get it right? Now, I'm among you. I like using ChatGPT to get answers. Basically, it gives me kind of a general idea of what I'm looking for and some resources that I can go to. But for specifics and to make sure I get something right, I always go to a specialist. Let me give you an example of this. I had a good-hearted client who, unfortunately, his friend was dying, and he wanted to make sure his friend set up a will before the friend died. And he did some research, and he was telling me about this, and he said, "Hey, Ellen, I did some research, and I found out that for a California will, you don't need two witnesses to make the will valid. You just need a notary." And I was like, well, actually, that's not true. You really do need two witnesses. And he goes, no, Ellen, trust me, I did research on this. I know what I'm talking about. And here I am. I've been an estate planning attorney for 20 years. This guy is actually my client, and he's trying to tell me about this. So it's a little bit frustrating, but that's okay. So I asked him, so where did you do this research on ChatGPT? And he looked a little sheepish. He goes, well, yeah. I said, well, guess what? ChatGPT doesn't know everything, and you need two witnesses. And later on, I texted him the probate code section where it says that you need two witnesses, and we had a good laugh about it. And then he was able to give the right information to his friend who needed to prepare and execute his will. So here's the moral of the story. If you want to get it right, don't just rely on AI. Go to a specialist who's been doing this work for years. So please click over to our YouTube channel to see why real legal advice still matters, especially when the stakes are personal.